All right. Hi, everybody. Today we're going to do a little instructional video on push-ups. A lot of people have some issues with push-ups, and push-ups are just a good body weight exercise to start with for Spartan races, getting your body ready for Spartan races. So I'm going to go over 5 different types of push-ups. Just quickly here. So it doesn't really matter which push-up you actually use. We're still going to be hitting those chest muscles no matter which way that you decide to do that. So I'm going to go with level 1 push-ups first. So for level 1 push-ups, you're just going to use a wall for that. So you're just putting your hands on the wall, keeping your body in plank position, and doing a push-up. All right, that's where some people are, and that's perfectly fine. Level 2 push-ups is a front elevated push-up. So I'm going to use this chair here. So the front of your body is up, and you're going to do a push-up. Same way. Keep your arms at 45 degrees or closer to your body going behind as you do a push-up. Level 3 push-ups is our knee push-ups. Okay, so I usually keep my feet up, and more often than not, these are the types of push-ups that I use or that I do. Bring it down, bring it up. Level 4 push-ups are standard, stereotypical push-ups. Same thing, a little bit harder. And I'll go to level 5. Level 5 is foot elevated push-ups. I'm going to do this at an angle. Put my feet up here on the chair and do a push-up. So again, the thing to remember is keep your elbows at 45-degree angle going back or tighter to your body. This is to take a little bit of less strain off your shoulders and work your chest muscles. That is 5 levels of push-ups.